The Gin Fizz is a classic and refreshing cocktail that dates back to the late 19th century. It's known for its frothy texture and bright citrus flavor. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin. Use a quality gin for the best results. 1 ounce lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is preferred. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Simple syrup can be made by dissolving sugar in an equal amount of water. 1 egg white, optional, but adds a frothy texture. 2 ounces club soda, for the final fizz. Ice cubes, for shaking and chilling the drink. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, highball glass, bar spoon, muddler, optional for making simple syrup. Here are the instructions. Add gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, and egg white, if using, to a cocktail shaker without ice. Dry shake the ingredients vigorously for about 15 seconds to emulsify the egg white. Add ice to the shaker and shake again until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a highball glass filled with ice. Top with club soda and give it a gentle stir with a bar spoon. Garnish with a lemon twist or a slice of lemon if desired. The Gin Fizz became particularly popular in the United States during the early 20th century and was often prescribed as a morning drink due to its refreshing nature.